Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Target. So let me take you to their website, which is target.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Target is a leading American retail chain offering everything from clothing and electronics to groceries and home essentials, all at affordable prices. With a strong online presence, Target makes shopping simple and convenient. Known for quality, value, and trend-forward products, they are a favorite for millions of shoppers. So what you're waiting for? If you're from United States of America, you can come to the website, explore all their amazing product, and if you like anything for yourself, go ahead and buy it, maybe for yourself or for your family. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Target. How do we do that? That is through their affiliate program. So who can join the affiliate program of Target? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you would be able to apply to the affiliate program and could get the approval so long as you have traffic or audience from United States of America. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to get commission? That is, of course, to the United States consumer. You would only be able to get commission if you are bringing sales to Target from the consumers of the United States of America. So let's learn more about the affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down to the very bottom of the page to the footer section. And over here, you can click on affiliates and partners, which will take you to the affiliate program page of Target. And over here, you will see more details. As you can see, sign up easily, inspire your audience, and earn up to 8% commission. And if you scroll down, there is an FAQ link as well. If you click on this link, it will take you to the FAQ page. Anything that is not covered in the video, you may want to come to this page and explore the answer for any frequently asked questions you might have. So how do you apply for the affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Impact. And what does Impact have to do with Target? So Impact is an affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to apply to the affiliate program of Target, you must create an affiliate account with Impact. Now, Impact calls affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers as well, so don't get confused. And to create an account with them, the affiliate or rather publisher account, simply click on Request a Demo, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can go to the section for creators, influencers, and publishers and click on Sign Up as a partner. And then you can complete the registration to get yourself an affiliate account or rather the publisher's account with Impact. Now I understand there are many nuances involved while registering yourself or even using the dashboard. Don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Impact affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Impact publisher account. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again, click on sign in. It will take you to the login page, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called Impact Affiliate Dashboard or Publisher Dashboard. And this is a platform where you would be able to interact with different brands out there. I mean, the affiliate program, but the focus of this video is only Target. So to find the affiliate program of Target, you can click on Discover, you can click on Find Brands, which will take you to the section. Over here on the search bar, you can search for Target. Just type in Target followed by an enter. You will see them listed here, Target. So you have to click on the tile, which will open up the affiliate program details. You can see sale is on 1% to 5% commission rate. And then if you click on view terms, it will take you to the commission page. And over here, you would be able to see different commission rates. For example, you would be able to get up to 8% commission rate, assuming you're part of the tier 7 and you are bringing sales for home and outdoor living products. So like this, you can explore all these different commission rates for better understanding. You can also go through with the tier listing to understand more about it, like in which tier you would usually be. With actions, Impact means sales. And if you scroll down, you would be able to see restrictions and the other details you might want to know about the program. And then you can come back to the affiliate program section here for Target. And if you click on details from here, you would be able to see where we service. That means if you're bringing the sales to Target from United States consumer, only then you would be able to receive commission. And if you scroll down, you will see here more details about them. So open to influencers, unfortunately, they are not open for influencers. And if you're an influencer, you might not be able to get the approval from them. But if you have a website blog, then you can still apply apply and can get the approval from them. If you look at the left hand side, you will see their name, their categories. You can click on this apply. We'll talk about it shortly. There's a description, and if you want to reach out to the affiliate program team of Target, simply click on this envelope icon and you have an option to initiate a message and ask any question you might have. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, simply click on apply button in here. It will show this to you, and then it will ask you to tell Target why you want to work on this campaign. That you might want to write something good about you or your planning, like how you intend to promote them, because this will help you to get the approval from Target. And after writing how you intend to promote Target, you can simply click on apply. When you do that, your application to the Target affiliate program team will go. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they will give you the approval. And how much time will they take to review your application? They could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. And how would you know you have been approved by the affiliate program team? For that, you will receive an email at your given email address, and it will give you a confirmation whether you're a good fit for them and you have been approved to the affiliate program. Once approved, you would be able to see them in here. You can click on Discovers, you can click on My Brands. I will take you to this page. Over here, you will have a list of all the approved brands. Since I haven't been approved by Target yet, so that's why I'm not seeing Target in here. But if you have been approved by Target, you would be able to see them listed here. Once you have been approved by Target, what can you do next? You can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use tracking link. And how do you create or get your tracking link? For that, you can click on home. It will take you to the dashboard. Over here, you can look at this widget, create a link, and then you can select the brand from here. Assuming you have been approved by Target, you can select Target in here, but just for the demo purpose, I'm going to select SEMrush, which is an approved brand of mine. And let's say if you want to create a tracking link for the homepage, I'm going to copy this homepage link and I'm going to paste it in here, and then I can click on create. What this will do, it will create a tracking link for me and I would be able to copy it from here. So this is how you can quickly create your tracking link, convert any normal link to a tracking link, assuming you have been approved by Target for the affiliate program. What if you don't want to create tracking link, but rather you want to use available assets or links? For that, you can click on content and you have to click on assets. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can look at the left hand side. You can select your approved brand from here. Again, for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with SEMrush. In your case, you can go with Target. Once you've selected them here, decide what kind of link you want. Let's say if you want image links, you can click on image and you would be able to see all the banner links available. You may call it banner links or image link. Let's say you're looking at the banner images of Target and you like this banner image and you want to promote them through this banner link. You can click on this banner link and you will be able to see the image in here. If you like, you can download this image so that you can integrate it at the backend of your website. And if you want to get the HTML link code, you can click on asset code. You can copy this HTML link code and integrate it from the backend of your website. Third option is your tracking link. You can also get the tracking link and you can integrate it accordingly. So that is up to you. But if you're updating it from the backend, then I suggest go with the HTML link code. So this is how you can find different assets available, which could be image links, video links, emails, coupons, articles, and more. All right, so you have learned how to create tracking links or how to get your tracking links. The next question arises, how can you promote Target? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by Target, you can promote them on anywhere on your website. So you can decide which place is more suited for your audience. Let's say if you feel like homepage is more suited, maybe put the banner links of Target somewhere on your homepage, or pick any category page that is more suited according to your audience and of course according to Target. Then the blog. Now, blog could be amazing because you could write different blog posts about different products available on Target and put your tracking link somewhere with your blog. So this way, when people would read, they will click on the link, they'll buy something, you'll get the commission. Third way is shopping website. Now, as an affiliate, if you got a shopping website, that is great because people come to these kind of websites to shop, correct? So you might want to create a standalone section on your website, maybe just call it Target or Target products. And when someone would click on that section, it will take them to a web page where they would be able to see all different products available. I mean, the good, best products available on Target. and then you might want to integrate different products of Target on that web page. So this way, people will come to your shopping website. They could explore Target section. They can see available product links or any other kind of links. They'll click on it. As usual, they'll buy. You'll get the commission. So this is how you can promote Target. There are other ways as well. Totally up to you how you intend to promote them. Let's say you started promoting Target. You started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you have to come to the affiliate dashboard once again, and you have to click on reports and you have to click on performance by brand. It will take you to this report. Over here, you can use different filters. You will be able to see trend. You can see the trend by clicks and other metrics you see available. You will see the program details, clicks, and actions. Actions means sales. Then you also got other reports. You can click on performance by day to see your performance by day, advanced action listing, save reports, and other different reports that you could run. Then where would you see your balance? Balance will be your accumulated commission, and that you would be able to see on the top right hand side of your affiliate dashboard. As you can see here on the top right hand side, this is my available commission. This is the commission that Impact has already received based on my performance towards respective brands. And to see more details, you can click here, you can click on balance. It will take you to this section. Over here, you would be able to see different cells, and whatever this amount is, it's coming from which brand. You would be able to see it in here. And to update your payment details, you can click on bank account settings. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can choose electronic fund transfer. You can select your country, and thereafter you can update the banking details accordingly. You can also decide your threshold, the payment threshold. That means Impact will only issue commission to you once the accumulated commission exceeds that minimum payment threshold. Based on your location, you might also get an option to update PayPal as your payment method to receive commission. So these are two ways you could get commission from Impact, again, depending on your location. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Target. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Target. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.